Today we are covering everything students consistently get wrong about biology. Not just what the right answer is, but why the wrong answer makes sense, and how to think about it correctly so it never confuses you again. Let us start. Number 1. Cells. Most students think of cells as tiny blobs of liquid with a nucleus floating inside. That mental image will cost you marks. A cell is an extraordinarily organized structure. It has a membrane that controls everything entering and leaving. It has a nucleus that stores genetic instructions. It has mitochondria that generate energy. It has ribosomes that build proteins. It has an endoplasmic reticulum that processes and transports molecules. Everything has a job. Nothing is random. The mistake students make is treating organelles as decoration. In an exam, when they ask what mitochondria do, the answer is not just make energy. The answer is, mitochondria carry out aerobic respiration, converting glucose and oxygen into ATP, the molecule cells actually use for energy. Adenosine triphosphate. Remember that name. Number 2. Photosynthesis. The equation students memorize, carbon dioxide plus water, in the presence of light, produces glucose and oxygen. What they get wrong, where exactly this happens. Photosynthesis happens inside chloroplasts. Specifically inside structures within the chloroplast called thylakoids, where light energy is captured, and in the stroma, where carbon dioxide is converted into glucose. The leaf is just the delivery system. The chloroplast is the factory. Also, photosynthesis has 2 stages. The light-dependent stage, which needs sunlight and produces ATP and splits water to release oxygen. And the light-independent stage, also called the Calvin cycle, which uses that ATP to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. Most students only learn one stage. Both will appear in exams. Number 3. Osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region of higher water concentration to a region of lower water concentration through a partially permeable membrane. The mistake, students say water moves from low concentration to high concentration. They are thinking of the solute, the dissolved substance, not the water itself. Here is how to remember it. Imagine you are in a crowd. You are a water molecule. You move away from the crowd, from high concentration of water, to where there is more space, lower concentration of water. The crowd is the solute pulling you in. But you, as water, always move from where there is more of you to where there is less of you. Please, you're required to ask questions where necessary at the comment section. Number 4. Mitosis versus meiosis. Students mix these up constantly. Here is the clean separation. Mitosis produces 2 identical daughter cells. Same number of chromosomes as the parent. Used for growth and repair. Every time your skin heals after a cut, that is mitosis. Meiosis produces 4 daughter cells, each with half the number of chromosomes. Used only for producing sex cells, sperm and eggs. When those sex cells combine during fertilization, the full chromosome number is restored. The key question in any exam, is this for growth or for reproduction? Growth, mitosis. Reproduction, meiosis. Number 5. DNA, genes, and chromosomes. Students confuse these 3 constantly. DNA is the molecule. A long double helix made of nucleotide base pairs, adenine with thymine, cytosine with guanine. This is the code. A gene is a specific section of DNA that codes for a specific protein. You have around 20,000 genes. A chromosome is a tightly coiled package of DNA. Humans have 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs. Each chromosome contains thousands of genes. Each gene is a section of DNA. Think of it this way. DNA is the language. A gene is one sentence written in that language. A chromosome is an entire book. Your genome is the complete library. Number 6. Evolution. The most misunderstood concept in all of biology. Students say organisms evolve because they need to. A giraffe grew a long neck because it needed to reach leaves. Wrong. Evolution does not work through need. It works through variation and selection. Some giraffes were born with slightly longer necks by random genetic variation. Those giraffes could reach more food. They survived better. They reproduced more. They passed the long neck gene to their offspring. Short-necked giraffes had less food. They survived less. Over many generations, long necks became the norm. The giraffe did not try to grow a longer neck. Natural selection did not have a plan. It simply removed what did not survive and kept what did. This is the engine of all life on Earth. Variation. Selection. Time. Number 7. The nervous system. Students know neurons carry signals. They often do not know how. A neuron does not carry electricity like a wire. It carries an electrochemical signal, called an action potential. The inside of a neuron is normally negatively charged. When a signal arrives, sodium ions rush in through channels in the membrane, making the inside briefly positive. This electrical change travels along the neuron like a wave. At the end, chemicals called neurotransmitters are released into the synapse, the gap between neur. Number 8. Enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts. They speed up reactions without being used up. What students get wrong, they think enzymes are destroyed by heat. Not exactly. Enzymes are proteins. When temperature rises above a certain point, or when pH strays too far from the optimum, the enzyme's shape changes. The active site, the specific region where the substrate binds, is altered. The enzyme can no longer hold its substrate. This is called denaturation. Denatured does not mean destroyed. It means changed in shape. And because shape is everything for an enzyme, a denatured enzyme is a useless enzyme. This is why a high fever is dangerous. It is not just that you feel hot. Enzymes throughout your body begin to denature. Chemical reactions slow down. Cells begin to fail. Conclusion. Biology is not a collection of facts to memorize. It is a collection of processes to understand. Every structure has a function. Every function has a reason. When you understand the reason, the fact becomes impossible to forget. Come back tomorrow to our channel by subscribing because we have more to cover. Cheers!